Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage CORNWALL SLIMLINE Petrol lighter made in Japan. This is an aluminum block roller lighter. I have a sneaking suspicion that this lighter was made at least in the same factory as the Penguin Cygnus lighters, and probably by the same company, and then just with the CORNWALL name put on it. Very nice lighter. It wasn't brand new when I got it. The flint tube was obstructed, and I was able to drill that out by hand with a couple of bits. It is in very good condition. Very nice, interesting lighter. I believe the machining or design, whether that is machined or cast, I do not know. But I believe that is called hobnail. And I am also ignorant of, it's obviously some kind of dancing woman or a woman who is beckoning someone to come her way, or perhaps she's playing a harp. I can't exactly tell. In the listing that I bought it from, it was listed as a Souvenir grease lighter, and that may be the case. The person that sold it to me may know that because that's where they bought it. I don't know. You can see there it is marked CORNWALL SLIMLINE Japan. And as opposed to Cygnus petrol lighters that I've seen, this lighter has a slotted screw, and I don't believe it has any markings. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media. However it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com across all the social media platforms. That will be Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and of course eBay. I believe that panel is glued on there. It's hard to tell exactly. It looks like there's a little bit of residue of glue on the top maybe. I think it's a very thin panel though. appears to be some writing of some kind, some other language maybe. To me it looks a little more like Egyptian or something than Greece or Greek, but what I know. Never been to either one, and I didn't buy the slider. In its original market, as I said, maybe the person I bought it from did. Maybe that's how they knew it was a souvenir lighter from Greece. Make sure you get over to eBay and check out the dependableflame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of each purchase going to the charity. We also have 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of those listings go to HDSA. I provide free shipping. High bidder gets the lighter. Charity gets all the money. And everybody is happy. The fill screw does have its gasket and a spare flint compartment that was cleaned out when I got it. There was not old flint degraded in there that I had to get rid of. That's always nice. Has the typical thumb roller flint spring mechanism like the Cygnus. That's the number one thing that would make me think this was a Penguin Cygnus. Number 2 is just about everything else about the lighter other than the hobnail design and the dancing woman embellishment on the side. But either way, and whatever the name is that's stamped on the bottom, Cornwall Slimline, I love the lighter. And it will go in my collection right alongside my Penguin Cygnuses and maybe another Penguin roller lighter or two that I am particularly fond of. If you have any insight as to what this woman is doing, or what the depiction is, or the language down here, leave that in the comments down below the video. I would be interested to confirm if this is a souvenir lighter of some sort, or maybe somebody can tell me what those words say. Make sure while you're over at eBay that you follow or like the dependableflame.com store so that you get the notifications each time we put a new lighter up for sale. Make sure also here on the YouTube channel that you hit the bell so that you're notified each time we publish a new video. Don't just be floating around out there waiting for the video to show up or waiting for yourself to run across it. Let it come straight to your notifications or your inbox. Until next time.